Listen and read.
A long time ago, when Raju was in class 5, there was a fire in his school. Everyone was very afraid, but no one panicked. The teachers helped the students to leave the building quietly and safely. Soon the firefighters came and put out the fire. Raju watched the firefighters from the schoolyard. He thought about the fire and the firefighters for a long time. After college, Raju joined a volunteer fire department. As a volunteer, he did not get any money for his work, but Raju didn't mind. Now Raju is a full-time firefighter. It is his job. So he earns money from
Listen and
Well, friends, would you like to know how I became a firefighter? Come, I will tell you. When I was a student of class 5, like you, there was once a fire in my school building.